Hi, Pearl here. The caretakers are looking into why our goose security failed. It's very understandable that Abigail is upset. It's really not much of a mystery, though, what happened. Annie already laid it out. The caretakers didn't have two fully charged collars, so she was working alone. Although, in reality, she always works alone because Doc is resistant. And by resistant, I mean very resistant. He says chasing bears is cardio with fur. I dare him to say that to Abigail's face. So it looks like Annie and I are becoming a permanent team since I'm the flexible one who can work with anyone. I'm on the first shift with Annie and the second shift with Bonnie. They say it's because I'm the youngest and I have stamina. Oh no, I just heard the caretakers are going to talk to a trainer. Something about our pack dynamics. We pretty much all get along. It's just complicated with Annie and Bonnie being no contact. Last time the caretakers talked to a trainer, we ended up with shifts, zones, teams, and no-go zones. I feel for the caretakers, though, the next time they're in the goose yard. Pearl out.